Cooking with Fowl, Episode 1, Toast. You grab your bread. I haven't got bread. I'm using rolls. Then you need to find your toaster. Oh fuck, a weaponized battle toaster. He is defeated. Plug your toaster back in after doing stupid stun with knife, which really shouldn't have been done. Toaster is now on. Take your bread. Attempt to throw bread in toaster. Fuck. Fuck. Oh. Damn it. Oh, so close. Oh, yes! First try. Choose your degree of toastiness. Yeah. I have no idea what the slider means. We're gonna go with 3.5. Push the button down seductively. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Time to wait. It be toasting. Oh, it is done. Take your bread from the toaster. If it's too hot to handle, try the eject technique. Now slather this bad boy with some butter, Marmite, or whatever else you fancy, and consume. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll probably never do an episode 2. Goodbye.